Welcome viewers and subscribers. Today I'm gonna be making a hill for a yam to plant a hill of yam. So I'm gonna take you through the process and show you how I do it, and you get some beautiful food out of it. So we start the process by digging the hole first, as you see. But as you see, I start the hole here, so I'm going to show you one part of the process I'm going to be doing and show you what to do. So this is what I'm going to do. Putting some trash in the hole like that, and get the trash in the hole. So as you see, I'm doing right now. This is what I'm doing. So as you see here now, I already have the hole dig already because I dig a yam out of it. So I'm going to replant back the head inside here now. So I'm going to just show you how I do it. And put the trash that you put in there is for the benefit of the food. The trash is going to be there. So when the yam goes right down, you only have the trash there, and the trash will be right away, so it will give you a smooth clearing yam. So what I'm doing is just reprogramming the hill all over again, that you can see. So what I'm doing now, I'm just putting the hill back together, and then I'm going to do planting the yam. Continue doing this to get it way up. You take and go around, make as much dirt as you can to make the hill. Yeah. So here you're getting the hill now going. To put the yam in. I'm just putting a little bit more dirt on top. You get the space, well, eat the dirt like you see me do. I try to get the dirt in a heap like that. So, there you go. Okay, that's the hill. So just pick up all of this dirt. Here's the yam right here. So you got 1, 2 eyes. You call them eyes. You can destroy one if you want and leave one, but I'm just going to leave the 2 of them because one can be damaged and then you have the other one. So here you are. Got the hill ready. So here's the yam, 2 eyes. So I'm going to be putting in this one right here, like that, then cover. Here's the other one. This is the one that I dig from there. Nice piece of yam about that length. So this is what left. This is the head. So I'm going to put this one over here, right in this trash right here, like that. Cover it like that, and there you go. Those 2 little highs that I show you, it's going to send up 2 vines. 2 nice little vines come right up, and then you wrap them around this, and this one is going to send a 1 vine right up, and you wrap it around it, just like how you see that right there. Just like how you see this one. See there, come from down there, come up, wrap around the tree, and that's how this one is what I just planted. It's going to take a little time. And you see it wrap up around the tree like that, so you put in the process of getting yam again. So yeah, well, this will take about 6 months to a year because it's just freshly planted, freshly head plant. So they're going to take a while before you see food coming from you. About next year coming winter, you will see yam coming from it. But you can check within the in the bank before the next winter, because maybe you have yam and what you do. I already showed you the process how to go underneath the yam and take it out and then get fresh bearing, so you can cut yam every 3 or 4 months. So this is going to go through the process before I start cutting yam between 3 and 4 months. So it's going to take a while for that first yam to come out. And when that first yam come out, now you take off that, you peer around it, and then you're gone. Now you 4 yam in the one hill. Okay, so what I was showing you there about the planting, how the yam, you plant the yam and it grows from young vines. The young vine, this is the process. Here. As you can see right here, you can see the process of what's going on here. This is shortly planted. See? Here's the yam right here. Here's the other one right here. Here's the vine coming up. Here's the vine coming up. And this one, now as you can see, this is the process. Just start the young plant. Now this is a young yam. You will not get anything out of this yam until way back past the summer, coming up back into the new year. Then you see and go into this. Because as the leaf you see green here now, you're going to see where the green here now. So this is young. This is a young yam. Now here you come, now I'm going to show you the difference between the young one and the vine that's coming up. So those two vines, you will have these two vines right here. Just how you see those vines there, you have these vines coming up right here. So you're going to have two vines coming from this and one coming from that, and you put it on this. And this is the process. This is when the yam reach to the thickness. This is how it looks. When the leaf looks ripe, you call it ripe. We say when the yam is fit, the leaf got ripe. So this is the changing of the leaf now. So this yam, you have to take this off. You have to cut this off because it reached the process where you cannot take off the yam and this give you back another yam because this reached too far now. So this yam is fit. So you're gonna, when you dig this yam, you take off the vine, and then it's gonna sprout again and give you a fresh vine. So this is the process of being fit. And then you dig this yam. As you see, this yam is ready to dig when you need it. So this is the full process of when it's ready to dig. If you're gonna leave it and don't touch it until when it sheds leaf and dry down. So you can have yam, said yam here and the said yam there in the field, and it dry down like this completely, and you still have yam inside here. Anytime you see it starts sending vine again, and you see it start sending up the vine again like those down there, then you know if you don't dig this yam and you want yam out, you need to dig it before it goes further. Because if you let it go further and let's stick here, then that yam is no more can eat anymore. It takes springing, so it won't eat good as it's supposed to. So this is when it dry right down. You can still dig the yam and find yam in it, but when it sprout and come out at least 3 to 4 feet and touch the stick, you don't dig that yam anymore because the process of that yam start going down. Now start going down, start getting spongy, start getting down to build a new yam. So you can have it to do this process, the dry process, the green and ripe process, and the process of young and the leaves. And it's very important when you plant yam, let it not run on the ground, because when it run on the ground, it don't bear properly. It's supposed to be on the stick. So all the leaf on the vine is up, so you get the process of the carbon dioxide go through the leaves, and then you get the bearing from the yam. So if you let the yam, the vine fall on the ground and don't leave it up like that, it doesn't bear properly. So this is some of the things that I'm learning about yam, because, you know, I'm learning myself. In farming, you can never too old to learn, or you can never too young to learn what's going on in farming. Every day something is there new to learn, and life is always surprising when it comes to the farm. Nature gives you surprises all the time. So thank you for watching, viewers and subscribers. This is our Ras Jobe plant yam in his farm, and this is how I get what I want out of it. And this is a very nice, beautiful hill. With the trash down in the bottom, when the yam goes down, it just goes right down. It has no dirt to fight, but the trash just goes straight down in the trash. That's why you use the trash in it. I used to watch my dad when he plants yam, that's how he does it. So I'm doing the same thing that I learned from him. Scrape the trash down in there, and trash everything around it, clean around it, and shove them down in the hole. Then you cover the hole and then you put your yam in. So this is the whole thing. So my viewers and my subscribers, have a good day. And thank you for watching, and we'll keep in touch. and continue with the farming with Ras Jobe. Thank you very much. I hope that